7 counts aggravated KOS. Classic preemptive self-defense. Know it when I see it. 3 counts waystone camping. I thought you were just waiting your turn. That'll be 1,000 marks per count. Mega mix packing? Not even gonna bother with unwritten rules. 3 counts of trophy baiting a group mate. Now that's trickier. But what I see is a team-building exercise attempt. You tried, they failed. Get me 2 apexes on that jury, and we've got ourselves a case. Okay, that'll be 19,000 marks, and I'll take care of it.
Your next appointment is here, Mr. Goodman.
I don't have any more appointments today. Well, the mayor of Gondwa and his syndicate associates. Looks like things are about to get expensive. What is it this time? Mark inflation? Another round of herbivore nerfs, or?
Riparia needs a mayor. Any questions?
No questions, just results.
And make sure Bird News keeps their beaks out of our business.
This just in. Riparia has a mayor. Following an unexpected election that was announced, held, and certified earlier today, the herbivore candidate widely expected to win was suddenly disqualified after a series of legal concerns. He was then replaced by an alternate candidate who failed to gain traction due to lack of public visibility, resulting in a default victory for the mayor of Gondwa. We now go live to his victory celebration.
My fellow dinosaurs, in these unprecedented times, strong leadership is more important than good decisions. My administration will work tirelessly to block all pending TLCs, especially the Thal, implement extreme matchmaking changes, keep flyers out of Pandura and out of my business, drastically increase waystone prices.
Wrong list, Mr. Mayor.
Disregard that, I must have been handed the other candidates' notes. What I meant to say was, we will bring balance. We will bring updates. We will bring water back to IC.
I don't know, boss. I like the other list better.
That's the real list, Little Mo.
Can I have everyone's attention, please, for a moment?
Security!
Live coverage of the mayor's celebration address is brought to you by City Security. We're here for all your security and enforcement needs. Personal safety. Crowd dispersal. Nuisance removal. Safety. By force.
Dry Fang Canyon. As agreed, consider it your territory.
Time to make this the new GP.
You heard the boss. Let's move.
Looks like you're making yourself at home, Don.
It'll be like the good old times. Gus, give me a day or two.
Don doesn't know how to keep his hands clean. We're gonna need some leverage. Go! You know what to do.
Let's hurry. We have to warn the others.